Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is so crazy and so surreal that I'm doing another how-to video with Lashify. That's my most popular video to date. That's why I say it's a little surreal, because so many of you guys have watched it and enjoyed it too. I'm glad that you liked my personality. A lot of things have changed. I'm still in the same room. My hair is a lot shorter. There's a rock on my finger. Oh, and the most important thing is I actually really do know how to put Lashify on now. The struggle is not that real anymor. Looking back at it, I'm like, Alisha, you fool. But it's okay, because back then, there really wasn't a lot of tutorials on Lashify. It's just a little bit of me being naive, because I honestly just didn't know. So it's all good now. I do know. Okay, I did a story on my Instagram and reached out to Lashify and I was like, yo, you want to send me some new stuff? Because your girl has run out. And they were kind enough to send me a refill on the things that are like pretty much done for. So the bond stick, I got another bond stick. They sent me 4 packets of lashes. This is C8. I don't know if you could tell. Let me, hold on. Let's do, these are C8 and this is C12. I'm going to just show them to you side by side so you can tell the difference. Okay, so C8, see how little these lashes are? These are the ones that go towards your inner corner. And then these are, what are they, C12s? I mean, you could clearly see the lashes right here. So these actually aren't the longest lashes they sent me. So these will go in the center. I also got D14 and F14. Let me show you. So the D14, man, let's see if my camera will do it. These are thick. With 2 C's, know what I'm saying? And then these are F14s. These aren't as thick, but they're a little bit longer and they fluffy. Like, I dig these. These are gonna be, since they're a little bit thicker, this is like a nighttime sis. So this would have been good for the girls' weekend that I had, because y'all, we went out. I also specifically asked for their remover because I also did a video on how to remove Lashify lashes. That was so important because back when I first started, this was like 3 years ago, there was nothing on Lashify on YouTube, but I was like, yo, how do you take these bitches off? Not because I hated them, but I was like, how do you do it though? Then they also gave me this little blow thing. Fancy AF. And then a little makeup wipe. It's reusable, so you throw it in the washer. You just get it wet and wipe your makeup off, and that way you don't have to get too close to your lashes. Let me just go through some questions that I've gotten over the years. You guys asking me, do you still like Lashify? Because I didn't use it for a long time. Yes, I still like Lashify. I just had an ambassador program with a local lash extension boutique, salon, whatever's, and I was with them for a hot minute. But putting these on is so freaking easy now. I, at first, in my old video, could not use this tool to save my life. Now using my fingers feels weird. For those of you guys who found me via my Lashify video and then followed my crazy ass on Instagram, you are the real MVPs. Seriously, I feel like you guys are the real OGs. You've been with me for a hot minute. I'm grateful for every single person who has followed my inconsistent YouTube journey. You guys really are the bomb. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's get into this Lashify video. I'm gonna show you my updated how to apply Lashify lashes. Alright, so I've got the control kit still to this day. Here it is. It's a little dirty. It's a little, oh, how, there's you. Say hi. This is the bond. You've got clear glue. You got black glue. You got the little tweezer tool. And then you got the seal. Back in the day, I was using way too much of this. Well, I'm going to start, and I'm just going to use the clear glue. So starting with the clear coat, this is just like a little mascara wand. I'm going to put a little bit right there at the base of my lashes. I try not to go up to the middle, and I definitely do not go all the way up to the tip of the lashes. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I put enough glue to where I can see a white line. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? And I put it at the base, the roots of those lashes. I'm going to start with this. What is this? The F14. This is the longest lash that I have in my selection. Okay, I'm going to put this right at the end. And you put it right above the waterline. If you put it on the waterline, sis, I can't even. It's like the worst irritation. I'm gonna add another F14 right next to this, okay? And then my middle lashes are the C12s. Putting that right there. Okay, now C8s are the little boo-boo ones, the little bee-boos. You're so little. These are the C8s, and this is what I'm gonna put on the inner corner. All right, that was it. How long did that take me? 2 seconds? Okay, hold on. Let me squeeze these. So what I do is I stick a finger in the middle of it, and then yeah, and then squeeze, And squeeze. And then I flip this over and squeeze the ends. Then you get the seal, and the first time I did this, I was putting way too much seal on. You don't need to do that. I just kind of do the same thing that I did with the glue, and I try to keep it at the base because that's where the glue is. It's at the base. And I kind of go back and forth like this, like a little scrubby motion. And that's it. Oh, I guess I could use this little... Hello. Do you see it's not on the waterline? I can't even describe how annoying and irritable it is to have lashes on the mother effing waterline. I'm like, no, Jesus. Okay, real easy. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing. Okay, you guys, that's it. I mean, it's so easy for me to put Lashify on now. Do I still recommend it? Yes. I like that I tried it when they first started out as a company because I got to kind of learn and grow with them. Still, yes, I still love Lashify. It does still last for me a total of 5 days, probably because I also work out and I have an oily complexion anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. Give this video a like if you liked it. Hopefully you did. You don't have to hit subscribe. I won't ask you to do that if you don't want to, but liking and commenting definitely helps. It helps way more than you can even imagine. I've been on the other side of influencing for a hot minute now, and I get it. Like when people say it really does help, I really know for real, like it really does. So thank you guys so much for sitting through this. I love you guys, and see you in the next one. I was like, yo, bit of naivety. Naivety? Is that a word? I just got a spray tan, so my hands are orange. Let it happen. Oh, we them boys. I can use this now. Do you see how easy it is for me? Who am I? That bitch. Good day to you. And I was like, oh. I admit it. I admit it. Whatever. To this day. I don't know why I'm being dramatic. Let it happen. Let it happen. Lyric. How you doing? Back to business. Oh. Yo, this is weird. And I love, that's like my favorite part.